This is Storm Track 12.
Earlier this evening, an area of low pressure started making its way into our area, and ever since then, we've been seeing some pretty steady rain over the past few hours. And here's a wider look of satellite and radar. There's that area of low pressure, and zooming in a bit closer to our area, we are seeing some pretty heavy rainfall in some parts of our area right now, especially in those yellows and reds that you see on the radar right now. So some flash flooding could be possible throughout the night. In these highlighted counties, we only need to see about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain within 1 hour to possibly see some flash flooding. And in some of those very heavier downpours that we've seen over the past few hours, we've seen rainfall rates at about 1 inch an hour. So our flash flood threat for tonight does remain low, and flooding will remain localized on roads or in areas of poor drainage for tonight. Current temperatures right now are in the 60s. Sydney and Greene are both at 68 degrees. Binghamton and Conklin are both at 66. Windsor and Appalachian are at 69 degrees, and Spencer is at 67 degrees. Overnight, this rain and storm activity is going to taper off within the next few hours, and tomorrow we're looking at a mostly dry day, but we do introduce just a slight chance for some showers and storms into the afternoon and evening hours. And we're looking at a bit of an unsettled week this week with almost daily rain and storm chances, and then once again temperatures will also be on the rise throughout this week. Future track over the next few hours, still keeping that widespread rainfall with us and those heavier downpours with us as well in those yellows, oranges, and reds that you see there. But between midnight and 1 o'clock this morning, that area of low pressure starts making its way out of our area and up to the northeast. And then for the rest of the night, we are expected to stay mostly dry, with the exception of maybe an isolated shower or two. And then we're going to continue seeing plenty of dry time through tomorrow morning, but things start to change just a little bit into tomorrow afternoon. By 12 or 1 o'clock, we could maybe see an isolated shower or two. Rain chances remain low for tomorrow afternoon, but bump up just a little bit into the evening and early night. Right around 6 or 7 o'clock, that's when we could start seeing a few more showers and maybe a storm or two start to pop up. And that continues through about 11 or midnight tomorrow night. And then after that, our rain chances are over for tomorrow night. Temperatures tonight are expected to be in the mid-60s, and then tomorrow morning by 10 o'clock, we're back up into the mid-70s. By lunchtime, we're around 80 degrees, and high temperatures tomorrow are expected to top out in the low 80s, and low temperatures for tomorrow night will be in the low 60s. But for tonight, we're looking at a low temperature of 65 degrees. Those rain and storm chances are going to taper off throughout the night. We'll see some mostly cloudy skies as well. Range of temperatures 63 to 68 degrees. And here's a look at the rest of your 7-day forecast for tomorrow. We're looking at a mostly dry day, just that 20% chance of a few showers in the afternoon and early evening. We're looking at a high temperature of 82 for tomorrow. Rain chances start to increase into Monday, keeping that at 40% with a high of 78. Both Tuesday and Wednesday, rain chances remain very limited, just seeing maybe an isolated shower or two in the afternoon. But then by midweek and into the end of the week, high temperatures warm back up into the mid-80s.